Okay, in this example, we're going to talk about landing and squeeze pages. And what landing pages are, squeeze pages, the terms are used interchangeably, are simple little one-page websites that give people one option. And that option is to either poop or get off the pot, for lack of a better term, meaning there's not a lot of different links on the page. There's only one option, give contact info or leave. And these pages tend to get higher conversions than a typical real estate website. If you just have your home page, it's probably not going to do too well. Or even in the last example up above, where we were running traffic to niche focused property search pages, that works well, but those will even convert less than a really good landing or squeeze page. So let me show you an example of one of these, and I'll also show you how to put one together and then how to drive traffic with a Facebook ad. Okay, if you don't already have a landing page generator that you use with your existing CRM, or one that you're not familiar with this process, a good place to start would be leadbarrel.com, which is has a 14-day free trial and happens to be a landing page generator email marketing system that I am involved with as a part owner. But this system was specifically built to make it really easy for real estate agents and other professionals to copy pages into their account that are pre-built, or to build them from scratch. So if I go to the real estate section here, I can quickly grab, you'll see examples of pages. You see how each of these are sort of one page and they have a big contact form with a headline. That's your squeeze or landing page. And I can scroll through and grab this one, for example, where it says free weekly list of St. Pete government bank-owned foreclosure properties. Now you can build any type of offers you want with LeadBarrel, but as a shortcut, it's good to just copy one of these, and then you can go in and grab your link for your landing page. So I'll click the little link icon here, and then I will just grab one of these vanity links, copy link address. I'll paste it into my browser to make sure it's working. Right here. Great. And then the other thing I want to make sure is that it is properly redirecting to the actual list of foreclosures, which I can do by going back to the page. Clicking on settings. And then I'll put the redirect URL right here. So let me do that. Okay, I've got my foreclosure list. I'm copying the URL, and I'm going to attach it to my landing page here. And if you decide to use LeadBarrel, you can get further instructions about how to do this. I just want to point out what this sort of page looks like, and you can use any platform you want to get this done. Okay, so I've got my page set up, and I'll grab my link again. There we go. And this is the page I'm going to drive traffic to. And you'll see what's going on here. It has a simple little background, free weekly list of St. Pete government bank-owned foreclosure properties. If I go ahead and pretend this is mobile, see how it responds very well. These pages convert very well on mobile. And we know that a lot of the traffic on Facebook is going to be mobile. So you want your landing page to be mobile responsive. And then once you're happy with the way it looks and you've tested it, make sure you opt in and it redirects to the property search that you're offering. You're going to grab the link and then hop on over into the Facebook dashboard, click create ad, and from here the process is very, very similar to the process of running a direct click to the niche property search, right? Except we're just running to a different link. So I'll go here, I'll do foreclosure list landing page demo. Again, our campaign name is whatever we want. Who do I want to show this to? Well, I think in the last example I showed it to homeowners. Let's show this to renters, people who might want to buy their first home. Okay, and let's show it to renters who are making some money. So I'll narrow this audience and I'll do income. And let's go for renters who are making $75,000 to $100,000 a year. We'll assume that unless they have big credit issues, maybe they'll be able to buy a house, get qualified for a mortgage in a healthy price range, maybe. And then we will narrow the age, the location, okay, and then everyone, people who live in this location. All right, and you guys have seen an example of this before, but I'm just going to run through it again here. Our single image, well, we're running an ad for foreclosure, so I'm going to go ahead and I'll just do the foreclosure for the free stock. If I wanted to keep it really congruent, I could use the same image from the background of my landing page. That will probably help conversions if you keep the experience looking the same, but I'm going to just go quickly here. Let's see if that looked good. There we go. Pick my fan page. And then my website URL is simply the link to my landing page. Again, this is very similar to the last example where we drove traffic to a niche focused search, but this is good review. You're seeing it again, get more familiar with the process. My headline is See the List Now. Free weekly list. Now, when using landing pages, is a big tip. It's a very good idea to make the ad copy exactly, if you can, make it exactly the same as what they're going to see on the landing page, because this is what they're responding to, right? Free weekly list, right? See the list now. I'm going to keep it so simple, and then click place order, and that is it. That's my whole thing right there with the landing page. Now, the last thing I want to do, I'm going to show you guys how the process looks here. The last thing I'm going to want to do is make sure that after they get the redirected to the list, that they also receive the email giving them the link. So I'll show you that in LeadBarrel as a little bit of an extra here at the end. So here we go. Let's just test our link to make sure it's good. Learn more. Excellent. Testing, Ryan at Real Targeter. We'll just test our funnel processing, and it should take me now over to the list on my site of the foreclosures. Now, if you don't have an IDX site, you could easily just redirect to a list straight from your MLS, or again, just email a list that you have as an attachment or as a link. So here we go. They'll go right in and get the list of properties. Okay, so right here, I want to show you as a little bonus here. You'll notice that you can attach in LeadBarrel, and you can do this in your CRM, right? I can attach drip campaigns right here. Says drip campaign, and this one is already attached to a drip campaign called foreclosure funnel. Let me just check that and make sure it all looks good. Create and manage drips. It's my foreclosure funnel. Okay. Day 0, and the email is, hi, here's your requested link. There we go. Hi, here's the list you just requested. Just curious, are you an investor, or are you particularly looking for a house to live in? Ryan, Tarabella Realty. And then you can just keep sending the same email week after week with the updated link. And a lot of times your IDX will be dynamic, and you can build a whole funnel here very quickly with your landing page. So that's it, guys. Quick little demo of driving traffic to a landing page. If you need more details about LeadBarrel, obviously I don't mind selling it because I'm involved. But again, you don't need LeadBarrel. You can use any landing page generator you want. You can even use Google Forms. I've seen this happen. I've tested it myself. It will work on some level if you want to use the free Google Forms solution to have people opt in for a list. That will work as well. All right, thanks.